it's your girl Paige, and I'm back with another video. As promised at the end of my last video, I was going to be doing a unboxing for some new hair that I got, and the company is called Slove hair. It has an S in front, but it's the word love, so I'm gonna guess it's Slove. That's what everyone said that I've seen that has this hair. It came in this box. And before I get into the box and stuff, I can talk about the shipping and everything like that. So I ordered the hair on April 19th. By the 20th, I got my tracking and all of that information, and then my wig was delivered by DHL on the 24th. So I think everything went pretty fast. Now, I did order from their site. I know they also have an AliExpress company as well, and I think the AliExpress one is called Slove Rosa or something like that. But I mean, my wig, I paid $124 and some change for it, and I'll show you in a second. It's a Brazilian curly wig. They don't really have like a number or a name for it, so I'll probably insert a picture of what it looks like on the site here, because yeah. So when I open the box, this is what's inside. I have some flexi rods, and I have a black wig cap. I don't like black wig caps because my scalp is not black. And that's it. And my wig is in this bag right here. But let me just tell y'all, so while I open up this bag, when I ordered the hair, like I said on the site, I got a 14-inch Brazilian curly wig, and it said $124 for the 14-inch. I ordered it, was excited. It took me to PayPal. I paid, but as soon as I hit pay, like after that, it showed like double the price. So I started to freak out, but they didn't take double the price out of my bank account. I just don't know why. Like on the online though, it said that the total charge for the wig was like $240 something, but I didn't pay $240 something, and it didn't add up to show like where that amount came from. So I just paid $124. Like that was it. That's how much the wig cost, $124. There was no like shipping or nothing. I checked my bank account, I checked my PayPal. I only spent $124. So that's just something to think about, because I got a little nervous. So I just want to let y'all know, if y'all order from them, like, just pay attention. That part did make me a little nervous. I thought it was sketch, but they didn't take anything else from me. But on initial look, the hair, it didn't smell. It kind of smells like what all wigs smell like when you get them, and this is what it looks like. And that curl is really pretty. Okay, so I have it on my iPad, so I'm looking down at my iPad, y'all. But pretty much it's a deep curly bob, lace frontal wig, and it's virgin hair with bleach knots available, is what they say. So I guess it's supposed to come with bleach knots, because that wasn't an option when I picked it. As far as the price goes, you could choose to do a full lace. You could do just a lace front, and then there was another option as well, but I did a lace front. I didn't get a full lace. I usually get full lace wigs, but I honestly don't ever utilize it being full lace. So I was like, let me just get a lace front, because this is just a cute little curly bob, because you know the summertime is coming, and I feel like it would be something nice and cute to have. The price was decent. Like I said, it says $124.95 is what I spent. And it looks good. It looks cute. So since it's a lace front, looks like the lace goes all the way to here, and it's a decent amount all the way through. I'm probably gonna switch this to a side part than the middle part. I used to not do middle parts at all, but recently all my wigs are like middle parts, because I am the side part queen, because as you see, my forehead is pretty big. But anyway, it said bleach knots, and then it was supposed to have a pre-plucked hairline as well. That's what it said. And based on what I see, It kind of does. If you can see that just a little bit, it kind of does. The hair though, it feels really nice. As I said, it's supposed to be virgin hair. And it's really curly. This is a cute, deep curly wig. So, like I said, the lace goes to here. It has 3 combs and 1 here in the back. Probably will take this one out. I don't like combs right there. There's no point. And then the rest is track sewn on. So the rest is just some track sewn on. And as far as the density, I think this is pretty thick. Y'all, I think this might be cute. I am thinking about dyeing it, but looking at it like this, I like it. I don't want to lose any of the curl. Y'all know what happened last time when I overdid it, but I don't work as much anymore. So let me go ahead and take this off, and then I'll go ahead and put this on. You know, I don't mind that y'all see. And these is some leggings, y'all. I made this out of leggings. Y'all want me to do a video tutorial on how I did that with some leggings? I will do it. Just let me know in the comment box below. All right, so without cutting off my lace. Oh, and it does have adjustable straps too, my fave. Let me just go ahead and slide this on. Y'all, I do not like how I look with black hair. I definitely have to dye this. This looks so realistic though, the whole like part in the scalp. Okay. I don't want to mess with it too much. I don't want it to be getting fuzzy. Look like these hairs on the edges though, the little baby hairs they gave me, they are super straight, as you can see here. Let me show you what it looks like in the back. I can't see it, so hopefully it's decent. The length is pretty much where I wanted it. I did want it a little bit, no, I think it's perfect. It's just where I wanted it to be. Look at that. See what I meant? You can tell, yeah, it is a little bit pre-plucked. I think the hairline is realistic. I like that part about it. That's really nice. Just it actually comes over, it comes around my ears nicely. Well, this side doesn't. This side fits like perfectly on my ears. This side does not, so I probably would have to cut it. And this is on without me adjusting the strap. I actually really like this. I think if I color it though, I want to ombre it. I'm not gonna color the whole thing. I think I'll just have like light brown going into a blonde tip with some little like highlights here. If I keep it this way, but like I said, I want to do a side part. I really would want to do it with the side part. I know I look crazy right now. I would need to use some like mousse to do this. See that? That looks good, and that's just with my wig cap on. So you know, once I cut this lace off, this junk still finna look good. I don't like that little hump right there, but like I said, I just gonna have to put some mousse on it and shape it into a side part. Let's go back to the middle part. I actually really like this, y'all. Except for the fact that, you know, they was just a little bit sketch, you know, when I ordered my hair. I really do like this. Now, I have seen in a lot of different people's videos, like a lot of companies like this, they do have a regular website where you get the hair, and then they also have an AliExpress. And from what I've heard, the AliExpress company is usually the more lower quality hair versus what they sell on their actual website. Usually when people get it from AliExpress, it's pretty, the quality is not as good. Let's see, shedding. I don't have any shedding right now. That's my own hair. Well, I got one strand. One strand so far. as much as I've been messing with it, my curls still look pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and like tweak it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys some more. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of cutting the lace off. So you just want to move all the hair out of the way. You don't want to cut off any vital pieces of hair, and you're gonna get like whatever scissors you have. I like to use these little small surgical scissors that I got from my mom, only because it makes it easier, and you're just gonna follow the hairline that they've already set for you. I know some people can cut the lace off while it's on their head, but I am not one of those people. So I'm just gonna, like I said, follow how the hairline is set up. And as you can see, I didn't leave much lace like showing, but like I said, I'm gonna go back in and modify it. This is just my quick initial review and cutting of the lace, just so I can give you guys the full look of how it came out of the box. Okay, so now that I've cut all the lace off, this is how it looks again. I gotta get these little flyaways together. I think I'm gonna go in and like pluck my part some more for the middle, because that's like so tiny. Also, these front pieces right here, you can see they just a little scraggly and raggedy a little bit, like these. So I guess I'm just gonna go in with my Lotta Body foam and try that. It's supposed to tame frizz and stuff. You can see if this does anything to the curl, make it more not crazy. Yeah, this foam and mousse, hopefully it doesn't make it too stiff or anything. Oh yes, oh yes. Did that make a difference? I can't tell. Did that make a difference, y'all? I feel like I got so close. What y'all think about me with black hair? Like, ooh, it's trifling. What y'all think about me with black hair? My friends like when I switch it up and do black, but I don't be here for the black hair looks. I'm not really here for it. I still think I'm gonna dye it. What I might do is wear it black just for a little bit before I dye it. Like, give it a chance while it's black. Like, take some pictures while it's black. Let it live just a little bit. I really do like this look a little bit. It's giving me Rihanna Wild Thoughts. Like, just a tiny bit of Rihanna Wild Thoughts or whatever. I mean, it does have a little bit of a smell, but it's not like corn chips or nothing like that. You know how like you get hair and it smells like feet? It doesn't smell like feet, but it does smell like hair. So I will rinse this off and stuff, like wash it and then wear it out. And that's just how I cut it. I'll probably go back in and cut the lace just a little more, but that's like how the hairline looks. I think that's pretty realistic looking, and that's without baby hairs and stuff like that. Like, that's just how it naturally looks. Like, I like the look of the lace, because the lace really is blending, honey, without anything. Like, but I'm not the type to put concealer and stuff like that in my lace anyway. But without anything, and my cap, like I said, my cap is on, and I think it still looks really good. But yeah, that's really my initial thoughts of the hair. I like it so far. I just wish that those front pieces were not as raggedy. As you can see, it did get a little bit better with my mousse. I didn't add any water, I just used the mousse. So I think I might add some water to it too. But I like this deep curly, and based on how much I spent, this is worth it. Like, I spent $124, and this is, it says virgin hair, 100% human virgin Brazilian hair. Like I said, I'm gonna dye it. But that's how it looks. Like I said, I got it in 14 inches, and I'll put all the specs below, and I'll insert another picture one more time of what it looked like on the site. It looked just like this on the site, and I just clicked it. They don't really have like names and stuff for them. I can look again, make sure I ain't telling y'all no lies. No, it don't have a name at all. It's just hair. So, but y'all, this wig is so realistic. Like, yes, it looks like it's coming from my scalp. I can do lots of cute little styles. Yes. I might have to make me some baby hairs for real with it, because it's really cute. And I usually don't like doing updo when I get hair, but I would for this one, because I really like this. Like, it's so realistic. Yes, to this hairline and everything. And I ain't glued nothing down right now. I just think it looks so cute. Sorry, you guys, my air conditioner came on. If that's distracting, because I know you probably hear it. That's it. I'll be back again. Next week I'll probably dye for you guys on camera, and then straighten it. Let's straighten it. Let's see if it reverts back. I'll probably straighten it before I dye it though. Like, if I straighten half of it, is it gonna really show like that it's 14 inches? And then also, will it curl back up? Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. Let me know if that's something that you want to see. Put it down in the comments below. Do you want me to straighten half of it and see if it curls back up, just to test if this really is truly a deep curly wig? And if I dye it, do you guys want me to dye it? Do you guys want me to leave it this color? Like I said, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support and for watching me, you guys. I just started this YouTube journey, as you know, in February, and I've received so much love, so much support thus far, and we can only continue to go up from here. If you watch this whole video and you love this initial unboxing and review, go ahead and subscribe. There's a little bit of icon down here with my picture, or here, I'm not sure, because you know, camera's reversed. So click that. That'll be a subscribe button, as well as it'll pop up somewhere over here in a big icon, or up here as a big icon. Click that and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.